Hey guys, welcome back. This is an unusual midweek video. As you can see, I've got a bunch of products lined up here and that's what we're going to be talking about today in this video. So Bola Solution have kind of sent over a whole bunch of products for us to take a look at, and there's just way too much here to cover thoroughly in one video. If you do want to get a bit of a heads up in advance ahead of my YouTube video, the regular content, Bill has already managed to try some of these products out for the Instagram page, so make sure you go and check out the detail and space over on Instagram. Once again, thanks very much to Bola Solution for sending these products out. I'll quickly go through some of the products that we've sent. As I said, these will be covered in more depth over a couple of coming videos, so we've got to, as I say, use these products and then obviously review these products, give you my thoughts as always. As you can see, we've got 3 small bottles down here. First thing I will say, before we even talk about any of these products actually, the packaging. I love the packaging, especially these ceramics. They just look like something that wouldn't look too out of place in your bathroom cabinet. But anyway, I really do like these. So yes, we've got Bola Solution Max Aqua Shield. This, I believe, can be used on its own as a standalone ceramic product. Really good water repellency. So the claims make, so that's, as I say, I've not yet tested that. You can also use it as a top coat on top of Bola Solution Evo Pure Shield. They also have another Pure Shield called Standard. I think you can use that totally 100% on its own. So yeah, we'll touch on these in coming videos. So I just wanted to cover those out of the way because that's 3 ceramics that they've sent. So thanks so much. As I say, just look at them. They look mint. Absolutely, really cool. And then yeah, they've sent us 12 bottles of product here. There's a lot. I'm yet to figure out the naming convention, similar to other brands that you know who use letters and numbers. We've got W55, G37, P17. I don't fully understand what that's for, but again, hopefully I'll get some more clarity on that. But from left to right, we have Bola Solution. They are all the Maximizer series. So we've got a wheel cleaner, we have a glass cleaner, Ultra Slick, which is your tire dressing, it's a bit of a sealant, oil off paintwork cleanser, so that'd be interesting. We have this Add Ceramic, which also says it's a sealant, so I'm going to guess that is like a final spray down to add obviously a ceramic layer, you know, a hybrid ceramic coating, should I say. We have a tar and sticker remover, we have a wax safe car shampoo, we have a iron fallout remover, leather care, tire essence. So we've got Ultra Slick over here and we've got tire essence. We have another wheel cleaner. So that's 2 wheel cleaners. And Add Graphene. So this is, in my opinion, what I've been saying on and off the camera. I think graphene is going to be the latest thing for the 2020s. So this next decade or so, I think we're going to be seeing a bit more graphene popping up. So I'm going to guess this is similar to the Add Ceramic. Use one or the other and add a extra protective layer on top of your car once you've done your weekly maintenance wash. As I said, the packaging looks really nice as well. So yeah, really class. And if that's what you're into, if that's important to you guys. As I said, this is just a first look, a unboxing essentially. Yes, I've not unboxed it, but you know what I mean. So just a quick midweek video. I will have an upcoming video on using all of these and then gather some thoughts and then follow that up with a hopefully an in-depth thorough review video and clear up some of these products, the naming and why it seems like we've got 2 wheel cleaners and a couple other bits and bobs. But anyway, yeah, just a quick mid one. We'll be back with regular content on Friday. If you enjoy this, smash that like button, subscribe up here, a couple of videos down here. Yeah, see you on Friday.